Splash and the Soldier of the Gamespitter, a crazy situation what took place at that bowling alley. But ladies, y'all gotta understand, going to a bowling alley, the type of guys that go, especially in Atlanta or places, you know, real urban places, and she went to an urban bowling alley, you know, guys gonna come there, street guys, you know what I'm saying, you know, like to gamble, you know, like to play bowling. They're gonna carry that pistol, they're gonna have that gun on them because it's Atlanta, you know, people carjacking, so they already got it on them, or they probably hustling and all that there because you went to an urban bowling alley place, right? If you're a type of female to stand on 10, meaning you don't tolerate no disrespect from no man, no woman, no little kid, you demand your respect because you're gonna give it, and you come up under that Young Thug tree, so you're gonna talk heavy. When you feel disrespected or you get disrespected, you're gonna talk heavy, you're gonna talk that talk, and that probably what took place at the bowling alley, alleged. You gotta understand, that's Young Thug baby mama, so you know she talk heavy because she learned it from him. So you gotta imagine what she said to that man. And now he's still in the wrong. He's still in the wrong for going outside waiting like she a full man. So it don't even matter what she said because she ain't do nothing to you. You left, you waited. She still kept bowling and partying. She probably told you, I can get you touched. You gotta think, like a woman like that, yeah, I can get you touched. She calling them all type of names, the P word, bitch ass nigga, bitch ass nigga. Yeah, I can do this, I can do this. I got this. You know what I'm saying? She coulda, because you never know. They said an argument, so she said some fighting words, and he felt disrespected. She probably can talk more heavy than him, because she under Young Thug, so she got access to the same type of security Young Thug got, or his steppers or whatever. So she gonna talk heavy, because Young Thug, he ain't finna put no baby in somebody that's weak. A woman that's weak, Thug ain't gonna put no baby in. He might screw you, but he ain't gonna put no baby in you. You see what I'm saying? So you know she's sturdy. She just wasn't strapped. You know what I'm saying? She didn't expect for him to do that though. It had to be something like that in that bowling alley. She won the argument. Yeah, she embarrassed him. Yeah, she probably got louder than him, you know, talking heavy. You know, she used to the nice things, the finer things in life. So she even can talk about the car you drive, the house you live in, the females you hit, the money that you got. She can say that so she can little boy you in front of everybody, in front of your homeboys. And you got a gun in your pocket. And you took it there. I'll drop them comments. Let it be known. Y'all thinking like me or I'm way off. Let it be known. Set me straight. Yeah, because ain't no way. They got into an argument. That's Young Thug baby mama. So she gonna talk heavy. She was telling them, nigga, you drive this car. Nigga, my niece drive it. My niece got that Charger. My niece got that BMW. Yeah, you live over there. I live here. Yeah, I know boys who got 2-story houses, who got penthouses downtown, and they boys, and you live over there, and you say you're a man. All different type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Look how you dress. Yeah, look how you dress. Like, come on, man, my belt $2 grand. You know what I'm saying? This watch right here, 40 grand, 50 grand. You never know. You know, so she little born. So he felt like, cause he a gangster, but he feel like he a gangster. He got to do something. He got to do more than beat her up, because he could have just put his hands on her. He'll get the same type of consequences in the streets. You smack her, you still a die. You kill her, you still a die, or go to jail. So the same consequences. So he had to take it farther than putting hands on her. He had to take it, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, she took something from him. You know what I'm saying? But in his head, she did. His whole manhood, his whole respect. She owned that room in there. I'm telling you, she got the best of him in the argument. So he had to take it to the street and wait on her like she a real op. Knowing everybody know who you is, you just got into an argument with her in the bowling alley. So yeah, and you on camera, come on, man. You destined to get caught. Of course you gonna turn yourself in. You don't want to stay on the streets. Yeah, because you don't want to die. Yeah, so why you kill for? And you ain't ready to die. Yeah, you supposed to be ready to take Thug and them to war, or whatever come in the streets. So what was the point of shooting a mother if you ain't ready to die? You just ready to go to jail that easy? Turn yourself in? Come on, you could have walked away. You already left. You could have went home. Who's to say she really was going to tell the people she was going to tell to jump on you for running your mouth? She could have let that slide. Who knows? Alleged. That could have been the case. Alleged. You know what I'm saying? Who's to say? You could have just went home. The next day, it would have been all good. That's just an argument. She a female, so it don't matter what she say. She can't take no respect from you. A woman cannot give a man respect in the streets or take it from him. Yeah, they can't take no rank from a man. It don't matter what women say. So what was the point? If you was going to do that, take this mother from her 2 kids over words and then turn yourself in like a coward. You should have just offed yourself. Yeah, you ain't ready to kill or die. Yeah, you ain't ready to stand on the streets. You know, stay on the run. Stay on the run for 30 days, let it be known, yeah. And just go hard, bang out with the street. Yeah, or the police. Yeah, you gonna turn yourself in. I'm gonna turn myself in at 8 o'clock. Yeah, you ain't gotta keep looking. I'm gonna turn myself in at 8 o'clock. Should have just took yourself out the game and it would have been the end of the story. Or better yet, just went home to your old lady. Or went home to your boyfriend, whoever, your Joanna man. Ladies, this why y'all gotta know yourself. Y'all gotta know the levels y'all go. If you don't tolerate no disrespect, you gotta keep a pistol on you. It no matter where you go. Because you never know. You get into an argument with a female or a man, you already got to know gunplay can come behind that. In 2022, gunplay can come behind anything, any little small argument. It don't matter. Over ice, or water, you know, a pack of sugar. It don't matter. A piece of bubble gum, $1, you can get killed. So you get into an argument, you got to expect and you got to know that the other person going to the car and they're going to get a gun. It don't matter if you swung on them or not. That's how you got to think. You got to think like everybody going to get a gun or they got a gun and they're going to kill me if I get into an argument or a fight. If you get into a big argument at a club, a bar, the movie theater, a bowling alley, anywhere where there's a lot of people that think just like you kind of want to leave after the argument. It don't matter if you with, you know, your entourage. You kind of want to make it to the parking lot before they get to the parking lot and get right. Because they ain't gonna do it inside there, or they probably couldn't even get a gun inside there. You know what I'm saying? So they're gonna wait till you come to the parking lot. So you gotta beat them, you gotta dip, party over with. Y'all gotta go somewhere else, go to another bowling alley. He already done messed up the mood, he done messed up the vibe. So yeah, you gotta switch that there. There's negative energy in that parking lot. There's demon energy in that parking lot, cause y'all just got into it. So you can't just weigh that off like it ain't nothing because who you are, or because you feel like you a woman, he ain't gonna do nothing. Because you never know. Because one thing about Satan children, you never know when they gonna snap and flip out and spaz out. Because they don't care about no female or no baby or no kid or no thug baby mama, no Jay-Z baby mama, no 50 Cent baby mama, no Dirt. It don't matter if you're a female, a little kid, an old lady, a man, a gang member, a teacher. It don't matter. They'll give it to you over $1, over a piece of candy. Any small thing, any smaller argument. You never know, so you can't just brush that off because that shows that you underestimate them. That's what that means. So you got to act on it. You got to act on it. You got to meet him in the parking lot. You see him leave, you got to leave. That's another thing. When you see your enemy leave, you got to leave. When you argue with somebody, you got to keep your eyes locked on them. You can't just go back to bowling because you deep and y'all having fun, you having money. You know what I'm saying? You don't care about nothing. You buying the bar out and all that there. I mean, you just having fun. You know what I'm saying? It's about 5 of y'all, 6 of y'all. And yeah, nah, you got to keep watching him. Once he leave, you got to leave. You know what I'm saying? So if it's going to be a shootout, it's a fair fight. You got to start making phone calls. When you get into an argument, you can't wait. You got to make phone calls right there. You know what I'm saying? I got to pull up. That's another thing. If you're going to stay in the club and you get into an argument, you got to have them steppers on speed dial. Yeah, in the parking lot, you got to tell them to pull up. I just got into it with this dude. Y'all pull up. I don't know what he on. I can't really watch him. You know what I'm saying? Y'all pull up in the parking lot. There's dudes in the neighborhood that don't got to come in. They can stay in the parking lot and smoke. You know what I'm saying? Smoke and drink, listen to the music, or look at their phone, or just watch the club scene, or holler at females till you come out. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, you can even describe him. Like, he got this on. If he come out, you know what I'm saying? This is what it look like. He come outside. Oh, there you go right there. You know what I'm saying? So it can be a fair fight. But people don't never prepare like that. People don't never sit and plan, like, if I get into an argument, I'm going to do this. Or if I get into this situation, I'll do this. They just go with the move. They don't never have no structure about those type of situations. So when you think like that and move like that, situations like this can happen if you're not on your P's and Q's and you don't act on it and you don't think with your third eye. And it's hard to do that when you drinking and smoking and partying and trying to have fun. You see what I'm saying? But that's my take on this conversation, man. Go!